Hello everyone, I, Tanmay Ganesh Bari, the student of SAS Institute of Management Studies. My today's subject of presentation is Operation Management, and my topic is Project on Assignment Problem. So now let's start with the presentation. Content, definitions, advantages and disadvantages, example and solution. So now let's start with the definition process. Definition to assignment problems. An assignment problem is a particular case of transportation problem where the objective is to assign a number of resources to an equal number of activities so as to minimize total cost or maximize total profit of allocation. The problem of assignment arises because available resources such as men, machines, etc. have varying degrees of efficiency for performing different activities. Therefore, cost, profit, or loss performing the different activities is different. Advantages of assignment problem. Assignment issue constrains you to study, which is great. Improves your logical and critical thinking abilities. Increases persistence and perseverance to endure pressure. Disadvantages of assignment problem. Assignment becomes a problem because each job requires different skills and the capacity or efficiency of each job person with respect to these jobs can be different. When assignment is a problem, it becomes a typical optimization problem. It can therefore be compared to a transportation problem. In addition, we have number of origins which equals the number of destinations, hence the total demand equals total supply. So now let's start with the example of the work done. A company has a 5 job to be done by 5 workers each are assigned to one and only one job. Number of hours each worker takes to complete a job is given with W1, W2, W3, W4 and W5. And the jobs are assigned as J1, J2, J3, J4 and J5. So the diagram shows the job and the work done. Work should be done by one employer at one time. Step 1. Find the minimum element in each row and subtract it from all the elements of the particular row. So the worker 1 uh, in the worker 1, 24 is the lowest number, and so the other are, and the 24 is subtracted from the others. In W2, 23 is the lowest number, and so it is subtracted from the numbers. Work 3, 18 is the lowest number and it is subtracted from others. Work 4, 24 is the lowest number. Work 5, 28 is the lowest number. Step 2. Find the minimum element in each column and subtract it from all the elements of that particular column. So here now the column is subtracted as the minimum number. Step 3. Starting from first row, if there is exact 1 0, make an assignment and cancel all zeros in the column and then draw a vertical line. Similarly, starting from column 1, if there is exact 1 0, make an assignment and cancel all zeros in that row and then draw a horizontal line. Continue this step till all the zeros are an assignment are cancelled. So here we have to cancel all the zeros by applying an assignment in the row and the column. Step 3. If optimal assignment is not formed, go to the step 4. That is, there should be 5 straight lines. So here we have to draw 5 straight lines so that all the zeros are being cancelled. Step 4. Ensure all zeros are covered with minimum one line. Find the minimum element not covered by any line. In this, sum 5 is the minimum element not covered by any line. Step 5. Subtract the element that is 5 from the element not covered by the line. Also add the element that is 5 to the element which are at the intersection. So here we have to take the intersection as the point, and we have to subtract the 5 and also add the same elements of 5 which are at the intersections. Follow step 3. Cover all zeros with straight lines again. Since 5 lines are needed, an optimal assignment can be made. Here we have to form only 5 lines, and the zeros should be cancelled, and all the zeros should be cancelled by assigning only 5 lines, and we will get the work done and the job done and the minimum hours taken to work to the job to the job completed. So here we have got the result of job 1, worker 3, it took 18 hours. The job 2, worker took 24 hours. The job 3, worker 1 took 24 hours. Job 4, the worker 4 took 24 hours. Job 5, the worker 5 took 36 hours. Here the minimum total time taken by workers is 126 hours. Hence the optimal solution is regarded as unique. By this I end up my presentation. Thank you for your attention.